Dale Deerdorf, director of Inc., explains the importance of the virtual CIO project.
To give them information and guidance and took away the fear factor. That neutral assessment didn't tell them, who they had to go to buy something from, but instead this is what you need, and then some follow-up direction so that they could ask the right questions was posed, and that was a special opportunity for the nonprofits and just valuable information.
Assessment recipients were able to immediately use the information given to them to evaluate organizational needs and make necessary changes. Jennifer Belisle of the Northern Kentucky Community Action Commission describes how her nonprofit benefited from the VCIO project.
A lot of nonprofit organizations don't really think about their IT structure, don't really think about their IT needs unless it's broken and they need to fix it. Another impact of the project on our agency is that prior to this we hadn't really had much of an idea even on how much we spent on technology or what all of our technology resources were. So since the study we've adjusted our budget, we've adjusted how we cost things out so we can start tracking the dollars we spend on technology. We've done an internal audit to get a better idea of all the equipment that we have, and that's been a huge impact on us.
Other organizations receiving assessments were able to use them to justify and communicate their technology needs to donors and other supporters of their nonprofits. H.A. Musser, President and CEO of Santa Maria Community Services, explains that the information garnered from the assessments are already being put to good use.
Specific impact on Santa Maria has been significant already and likely to be much greater as we implement the recommendations in the assessment. Already the impact is that it's caused us to do some inventorying of what we had in the way of equipment and systems in place. Allowed us to interact with the students as a result of their having done the assessment, and really brought significant engagement from some partners that we have at GE Aircraft Engine already, who are in the IT field, that are poised and ready to help us implement those recommendations as volunteers, and perhaps even bringing in some other resources that they might have.